Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following vehicle here. So now I start cleaning from this one first. Racing car Pro 7, racing car Pro 7, a nice car. Mini airplane, Mobil Truk បាទឡានប្រមូលសម្រាម Mobil Truk Mini racing car green color, Mini racing car green color. The next one, forklift បាទឡានលើកអីវ៉ាន់ forklift. Police car green color. How about this one? Mini airplane with the word happy, 868, white color. Cement mixer truck. Okay, cement mixer truck. How about this one? Mini monster truck, shoot monster truck. បាទអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាឥឡូវយើងធ្វើការបាទ check this one. Mobil Tanki, Mobil Tanki. បាទអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាមក Mobil Tanki ឬក៏ Tank Truck ឡាន stand ដែលអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអាចធ្វើការបាទដឹកទឹកដឹកប្រេងអីបាននេះគឺ police car បាទឡាន police. Now check another truck. បាទអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានេះគឺ Hero Captain America បាទ Hero Captain America. How about this one? Super motorbike pink color, racing super motorbike number 46. The next one, cement mixer truck បាទឡានក្លុកស៊ីម៉ងបាទ cement mixer truck ឡានក្លុកស៊ីម៉ង. Now check the next one. How about this one? បាទនេះឡានសម្រាមអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាគឺ Mobil Truk ឡានសម្រាមឡានប្រមូលសម្រាម Mobil Truk. Captain America, Hero Captain America with a strong cashier, Hero Captain America. About this one, mini school bus. Okay, now check the next. About this one, supercar បាទ supercar អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានេះគឺ supercar. Another Hero Captain America, bigger one. Okay, supercar with cute color, yellow color. បាទអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានេះគឺ excavator, mini excavator បាទ mini excavator តូចតែស្អាតអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទ Okay everybody, now check another one. Mini monster truck, white color. Super police car, white color. Mobil Truk ឬក៏ truck បាទឡានដឹកដីហ្នឹងបាទ Now check the next. About this one, cement mixer បាទឡានក្លុកស៊ីម៉ងបាទ cement mixer truck ឡានក្លុកស៊ីម៉ង. monster truck, mini monster truck. With a sticker of hero Captain America. You can see his name on this car, Captain America, hero Captain America. បាទអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានេះគឺជាប្រភេទបាទឡានសម្រាមបាទឡានប្រមូលសម្រាម Logistic truck, a yellow container. There's a yellow container. Everybody, if you like my video, please let me know by comment, like, and especially click the subscribe button. So now, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.